What does security mean to you? Is it strength? Is it protection? We believe it goes deeper than that. Securing your contents from destructive forces like theft, unauthorized use, and fire. It's a promise of safety to your memories, your valuables, and anything else that matters. With over 3 decades of engineering and innovation, Fort Knox vaults are the pinnacle that others aspire to be. We have elevated the industry and continue to set the standard with our never-ending pursuit of perfection. Toughness, beauty, peace of mind. What drives us is our commitment to you.